Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Mark. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your parking light bulb. The light bulb that we're talking about today is this one right here. Now, that light bulb size is a 194. That parking, it looks kind of different on mine just because I modded my headlights. That is a clear lens. Originally it's a clear lens, but I went ahead and I removed my headlight, baked it, and I started painting the black housing as you see there. I took the parking light bulb lens and I frosted it, which I'll put the link below. What I did is I gave it a 3-coat of frost. I can't remember the name of the company. I had to do my research which can I used. Do I have it with me? I don't have the can, but I do remember how it looks. I'll do my searching and I'll put the link below. That can, I frosted that lens about 3 coats to give me that color. I kind of wish it was a little bit more whiter, but it has that frosted gray look, which is a lot better than stock, than having it clear. But now let's go ahead with the light bulb. The light bulb size is a 194. I'm going to turn it on so you can see it's a stock light bulb. It's the amber color. And when I turn it on, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about and what I'm trying to eliminate. So let me go ahead and turn it on. If you can see the center of the amber color, you'll see where the light is coming from. You see that light source is kind of like an orb color, orb shape. Now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to eliminate that. I'm trying to have it all pure, solid, one color. Let me point to exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys don't understand me, it's this right here. That you can see it, at night it's a lot brighter as in the orb, and it just kind of sheens out to give it the amber color. You can tell that's being reflected. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to have a powerful light source to eliminate the whole housing, so it just gives me that one pure light. It doesn't show me that orb. So what we're gonna go ahead is we're gonna use this GTR Lighting Cambride bulb. This is actually a T10. Why am I using a T10? Because a T10 light bulb provides more, not more power, but more light source than the stock 194. Now, however, this bulb that I'm holding right here is pure white. It's not going to give me any amber, which is fine. It's what I'm trying to go for. If this light bulb, the T10, shows me that orb, then I'm going to go ahead with a plan B. My plan B would be to remove my headlight again, take out, bake it, take out the housing, and I'm going to modify that parking light housing, and I'm going to do something else with it. But that will be for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your parking light and use the T10 light bulb. So for this is an easy task. You don't even have to take out your headlight to remove that light bulb. First thing you want to do is make sure that your car's off. I'm going to show you guys how to take that light bulb out without taking out your headlight. It's actually, if you see this right here, your low beam, it's your low beam housing, the cap, it's actually under it right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my hand right here. There you go. And now I have it. It's all the way under right here. You can feel it. You'll see it because I'm going to show you what it is that you need to feel. What's this? And we're going to go ahead and remove that and use this one. The T10 is a lot brighter than the 194. Let's go ahead. I'm going to place the camera down. And I'm going to, well, I can take this out with one hand, but let me just place the camera much better. All you need to do is just pull it out. Very easy. This, I'm going to put the link below on how much I paid. I believe I paid $25 or $30 for this bulb here. Okay. We're We're gonna go ahead and place it, the metal contact, like so. It's a little big, but it's gonna fit perfectly. I'm kind of glad that it fits. It's a little thick. Why? Because then I know it's not gonna move around. Okay, that bad boy is secure. Now let's go ahead, but I'm looking at it now. I can see that there are any light LEDs around it. It's just pure straight down. So it's gonna give me that orb that I'm trying to eliminate. But let's go ahead and show you how it's gonna look. T10 light bulb is already inside the housing. I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see. I already tested it and it works properly. You're gonna notice that that light bulb, the orb, excuse me, that orb still shines. It kind of bothers me because I'm just trying to have it one pure color, one pure source. I don't want to see that orb showing me there, but I think it still looks beautiful because it is bright. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Okay, it is a lot brighter. I don't mind it. I like that pure white. That is perfect. This is gonna look beautiful at night. On the camera, I think you're looking at blue, but it's actually pure white. If I would say that is like a 6K, well, 5K, but I think it says it's a 6K. But either way, that's the color I like. I want it white, obviously, because it matches the car. Right now, I have other light source in my garage, so it's actually showing a yellow hue. The background looks kind of yellow just because the lighting in the garage is not white. But either way, that light bulb inside the T10 is a lot brighter than the 194. I'm gonna rock this for a while. I would say for a good month or two, and then I'm gonna make a video on removing that parking light housing because I am gonna modify it and I'm going to use LED strips for that housing. It's going to be a switchback like I used to have before. I'm gonna go with a good brand that's well known. I'm not gonna post anything yet just because I wanna modify it first to see if everything works properly. I don't wanna provide information in videos just to find out that you guys are purchasing them and something goes wrong. So I like to do testing before I announce the actual product. This product right here is a GTR Lighting. It's the Carbide 2. It's a T10 light bulb. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link below. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, but again, it's a very simple job. You don't even have to take out your headlights. All right, so I turned off all the lights here in the garage. Unfortunately, it's still bright outside, so bear with me. I may do another clip when it's late at night so you guys can see how bright it is. So right now, all the lights are off. I'm gonna turn on the parking lights so you guys can see how bright they are. So yeah, these are very, very bright. The other one on the other side, again, these are just the parking lights. And look how bright they are. These are not headlights, these are parking lights.